Hi, good morning and good morning. Welcome once again to our Blackpool Biker. We've got a cracking day here. Coming up for about noonish. I'll show you the sea in a tick. Let's go over that way. Oh, they've put the no entrance in again. I didn't think they were going to do. I'm going to go down there. Next to the waves, like we've done before. Always a laugh. Biker always gets splashed. Drenched normally. Yeah, you can see the difference. Honestly, you just don't know what it's going to do from one day to the next. It's one of them summers. You just have not got a clue. It's starting to get busy on the other side of the prom as well. Let's have a gander over here, though. A gander. Do you know, it's not that bad. I know why they do it, but you know. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I've seen it far worse than this, haven't we? Everyone say hi. Hi, biker. We've seen it worse than that. Hey up, phone's going. One tick. I'll catch it in a minute. Seagulls are going mad about something as well. Right, so let's head down this way a bit. Going towards Central, obviously. Yeah, I'm just walked a little bit further down now. It's really weird how they're working this out nowadays because they've got no access up here. But if you look down centrally area, see if we could just focus in a little bit. Bear with. Yeah, if you look down central area, there's still on I did say on previous videos that there's sometimes a bit of a beach left there, even with the islands, the headlands, sorry. But look, people's walking up this way, and yet here we've got the no access. It's just, I don't know, what can you say? Anyway, let's come off a thingy. If I can, set off. Should be. Yeah, so as you can see, it's a cracking. It's really nice. It's not high tide yet, though, to be fair. Not till 1:15. I think it's 1:15. I think it's about midday now. Something along those lines. Maybe just afterwards. Just bear with me. I just want to get this back on lock. Yeah, it's unlocked. Make sure. Yeah, it's just if you don't get it unlocked, you forget, and then you end up taking pictures of your feet and the ground, like I have done before, more than once. You end up with 5 minutes of tarmac. So I am going to try and get down there. I'm determined now, because it's. To be honest, it paid me off a little bit. There's a few of the little planes flying over. I wonder whether they're coming from Blackpool, to be fair. From Blackpool, Squires Gate Lane area. Yeah, just getting a bit closer here. I thought this one wouldn't be up, but yeah, they've got no access up here as well. Yeah, the guy's on his little quad bike here coming by one of the lifeguards. See what I mean down there though? Anyway, let's go down a bit further to Central. Yes, we've just got here now and there's no signs up here at all, look, and they're actually in the sea. Just a little bit. It's pretty choppy. That little bit patch of sand there, that's going to go in a little while, that is. Won't be there that long. Yeah, they're actually in the sea out there, look. Yeah. Splish splash. Right. I think what they're doing is just asking people to come over this way. Rather than at north or should I say further north. Yeah, this little patch of sand here, that's going in a few minutes. It's nice to see it like this, to be fair, because it's just been a washout this summer up to now. Right, washout. Yes, it's really busy, this little patch here. It looks busy here, but there's only this little patch and they're only letting people on this little bit here, I think, to be fair. That's why it's looking busy. Yeah, you see that they're actually in the sea. That's got to be a bit nippy yet, hasn't it? See what I mean? This is just a bottleneck here with this bloody Odyssey thing. It's been sat there for what? 2 months or something. Let's do something with it. Mad. Right. Grumpy old man time again. Grumpy old man. Right, I've got to watch out for copyright again now because we're next to Central Pier, obviously. Yeah, I have to talk a little bit here because I've got music here as well coming out. That's for the kings and queens by the look of it. Just seen a Nissan Bluebird there on an H-Reg. I used to have a silver one, same shape on an H-Reg, donkeys years ago. Brilliant cars they are. Seriously, they were brilliant cars. I've said about the Toyota Corolla before, the executive Corolla. They were brilliant as well. Now, you know, around about the same reg, H, J reg. You know, that sort of era. Anyway, I want to cross the road. I want to go on the other side for you. Let's see if I can get over. 1 minute. Bear with. Yeah, right. Managed to get over then. Somebody kindly let me over the prompt. Just have a wander down here this way a little bit. See what's happening. Or not, as the case may be. I always get stuck round here. Little rock shop. It's on bike looking at me. You've got a pedal bike on the pavement, mate. You know, they look at you as if you're in the way. Really, buddy? I'm starting to get a bit hungry. The Princess Coaches has just taken us over. Oh God, it's warm, honestly. Really, really warm. Yeah, I'm getting a bit hungry now. Oh, hang on a minute. It's lots of fun. I used to work there doing the horse racing. Donkey Derby. They haven't got it in nowadays. Gail will know. Gail's on the YouTube channel over in Huddersfieldy way. £1 for a burger. We'll have a bit of that. Yeah. How long have you been doing them at £1 then?
This is the second week.
Second week?
Yeah.
I've come by all the time and not noticed. Can't go wrong.
Substitute red sauce, ketchup, whatever you want.
That's it. That's it. It is, isn't it? Red sauce is red sauce. Brown sauce, brown sauce.
You can bollocks. It gets enough.
Stephen the Seagulls wants feeding.
Seagull.
This is one, yeah? Yes, please.
Right, ideal. I've got my burger. We're going to go over the road. Looks alright. Let's have a look. I'll tell you in a minute. Mr. Porsche's let me over. And gentlemen letting me over there as well. We're doing alright here. I need to find somewhere just to eat this where the seagulls aren't going to bloody attack me, to be honest. But for now, burger. I've never done a review before, to be fair. There's no trams coming, is there? Well, I'm just walking back. I was just thinking I'm getting hungry. I'll go back and get another one. Yeah. What do you expect for £1? You're not expecting too much, are you? Let's be honest here. So, just don't want the bloody seagulls next to me. I ain't got the, what's it for this, so it's going to be a bit awkward showing you. Bear with. Get out of the way. Look, they're here already. You can't move. Go on, Stephen. Stephen the seagull. You literally can't move, honestly. Right, go on and bug somebody else. Go on, bugger off. Yeah, nice bun. Bun's soft. We'll have a taste when the knee goes away. Bear with. I'll tell you what, for £1, the bread's nice and soft. The patty's alright. For £1, you know, I'll just chew into this. I'm watching out for seagulls because they do dive down and just nick them off your eye. It done to me in Devon, in Torquay once. That was fish and chips, so I'm just watching out. Look at him. What they do is go behind you. Look. So be warned. Let's just have another. Oh, look at them. Oh, bug off. Look at him, all I did was move. Good God. Look at them. Right, bear with. Hate this. They're literally friggin' dive bombing. Look. Unbelievable, man. Right, I'm going to get this out because they're bugging me. It really is a pain, this. Look at the bloody things. So yeah, I've got to say, that was a perfectly acceptable, in fact nice burger. I got only £1. Just say it's lots of fun. Like I say, I used to work at Slots of Fun. We used to do the Donkey Derby and what have you. And a few years ago, before COVID hit and what have you. In fact, it probably the season before COVID hit that I was working there. But yeah, that was scrummy, it really was. And I know someone's going to say, oh, leave the birds alone, but they're a pain in the rump when you try to have something to eat. I'm not being funny, but nah. And if you don't watch it, they can be bloody aggressive. I know someone's going to say, oh, they're hungry, this, that and the other. Yeah. Ah, well. Now, it's strange because they don't have the signs up here. So, thinking about, I've got to give a mention to Chris, of course. Chris has been doing the pound burgers for bloody God knows how long, we know that. I was just walking past and I thought, oh, try that for £1. I got a bit of a queue. I don't blame them one bit. Ideal, isn't it? But yes, if you're fancying a pound burger and you're round here, look, we're not far from Central Pier. Can't go wrong. In fact, I might get another one that I have on the way back to Biker Towers. Honestly, you can't go wrong with that. Really, really, really nice. Right.